And just for fun, here's something you don't see every day. Yep. Anywho, just a quickie deal whole production. What?
Yeah, this sucks for somebody.
Well, you know what?
They're ready to go. They're all packed.
It's just a thing.
Yeah, it sucks though.
Yeah, are we at a safe distance?
Yeah, we're alright. Till he gets that gas tank. But I don't think he's gonna get there.
No, the gas tank's, yeah, way back somewhere else.
He's giving the size up.
A size up. All right.
Yeah,
All right, break it down, cuz you're a fireman. What are they doing?
Alright, they're pulling the front jump line and hit the 3/4 attack line.
Right.
And they're gonna fight it from an angle and push it back from the burn side.
Okay.
One burn side and push it back to the burn side. Then they're gonna probably get up on the hood eventually.
I'm gonna move my car, guys.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
You're gonna move your car for what? What's going on? Are you scared? Oh yeah. Okay. Whoa, something just happened.
Yeah, it's the line.
Oh, okay.
We're letting the air out of it. It'll be out in just a second.
Here we go. Here we go. I don't think them seats are gonna be saved though.
Yeah.
The upholstery's got a little smut on it. Got some carbon scoring on this droid.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yep, went right out.
Went right out. Yes. All right.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, pollution.
Well, it's cause something was on fire. Pretty cool. Open the door. What? I know what it was. He didn't empty his ashtray. He just had a cigarette butt catch the whole damn truck on fire.
Dang.
Huh.
Yeah, I don't know if it's that guy's truck or...
Well, it's the junkyard's truck. Oh, it's still on fire, dude.
Oh, they'll get it. You gotta get the hood, you know the cable's done burnt.
Yep. Oh, don't damage the truck. Oh, he just scratched the paint. He just scratched the paint. Oh, man.
Oh. Some skills, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting that shit done.
Shoot, that thing's gonna need a paint job when he's done. Scratching all that stuff.
Damn.
Awesome.
Yeah, they like to put foam on it now.
Oh, they're gonna foam the shit out of it.
Yeah, they're gonna put foam on it.
Oh, there's the owner right there.
Yeah. So,
It's gonna be like, no problem, I got full coverage. Okay.
probably not.